the Dragon Ultra Fighter, and this is also. I think this is kind of like a boat, but it's a kind of ship. And this is a 2013 set. And I got this from a long time ago, so I built it today. Anyway, I'm going to show you the minifigs. First, we got the Aurora Clone Trooper.
Can you show it to me?
You can see he has a sword, and he also has this headpiece. Okay. Next, we have Kai ZX. I normally have 2 Kai ZX in this set, but this is just an extra one. So, okay. Next is the snake guy with the.
Can you show that to me closer?
With the snake staff.
Okay.
You can see this stuff. This is the Shimachi actually you use. No, yeah, search. Got this. And this is a clone trooper. He has the same face as the Roller Clone Trooper. The first minifig I showed. He has a blaster. The blaster looks kind of weird because it looks weird, kind of. And also this is called ZX. You can see he has one of the swords that the.
Can you turn the face to us?
That the black ninja shirts use. So, and normally this is not a ZX. This is the other kind of ZX ninja, like the other one I'm pretty sure. This one's not supposed to have a ZX armor, but I just put it on. This guy is like that guy.
Can you show us your fish ship again?
This is Kai ZX with a spear. You can see that he leads. He's with this Kai. He trained with him and he teaches him how to fight bad guys actually with the swords. And also this guy almost got Jet one time.
What else do you want to show us?
Actually, that's Sensei Wu. That's Sensei Wu. Oh, he's just a little extra. It looks like kind of weird. Okay, call the X. Call the X. I don't know this. That's just an Okay, now I'm going to show you this whole ship. This is the Dragon Ultra Fighter. You can see that it has Kai's other sword, Samurai's sword, but the ninja got it. And Samurai is a bad guy, so and the ninjas got and Samurai said, "No, I want that sword back."
Sometimes samurais are good guys.
Oh, you mean samurai?
Mm-hmm.
You know even what are samurais?
Mm-hmm.
Like samurai warriors.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the clothes. And this is the and this guy's driver's seat here.
Wait.
And this guy's driver's seat. And there's also a missile here. if there's baggage on top of this ship, this missile could shoot on it. So.
Oh, wow, cool.
And these are some other guns that shoot on top.
So where the
And these are
ninja sit?
No,
Or the
this is where
clone trooper.
this ninja sits, and that's where the clone trooper sits.
Okay, they sit together?
And also this is where the black ninja sits.
Okay. What is it called again?
And this, the Dragon Ultra Fighter, the Ninja Dragon Ultra Fighter, and this is a turbojet engine.
Oh, turbojet engine.
Here, wings, and
Ethan, look at me.
windshield,
Ethan, look at the camera.
platform, shooting thing on top, 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 power cell, turbojet engine, shooting thing, cannon, front cannon, energy jet. What should we call that? Mom?
Are you done with your review?
Mom, let me tell you what is this thing. Let me tell you what is this thing for. If some people are in danger, some people could rescue them on a ship, and they could rescue them so they can put them on here.
Oh, okay.
I hope you like my review. Thanks a lot. Bye.